Welcome to week 9, and all of you are pretty deep into your student teaching right now and probably amazed at how fast the time is going. We're over halfway through this course. Now, some of you will be experiencing delays, school cancellations, different things that may cut back the number of days you are teaching. So make sure you keep track of how many days you need and how many days are left that you can teach. Sometimes you have to make up days after this class is over. And so we have to work with that. So looking ahead on that, also looking ahead, the clinical practice evaluation 3 is going to be coming up. So make sure it's at the end of week 11 that you stay in touch with your supervising teacher. He or she should have your schedule. You're working together. Any issues on that, there is flexibility. But the more you can stick to the number of days, the more you can stick to that, the better you are. The reading for this week focuses on assessment for one thing, and we talk about assessment a lot in here. It's so important, and designing assessments and analyzing assessment data, those two chapters are the readings, and they really help, I know with what you're working on this week. So you are going to complete step standard 6, analysis of student learning. So after you've implemented each lesson in the unit and completed the post-assessment, collaborate with your cooperating teacher and mentor to analyze the results of the post-assessment and determine student learning. Review your data. Complete the pre-test and post-test assessment in Standard 6. Answer the questions. So make sure you are able to go to Step 6 and fill this out with the results of the assessment. Pre-test, post-test, exceeds, meets, the whole class analysis. Write one paragraph answering the effectiveness of your instruction, and then administer, collect, use the information, select one subgroup, could be by gender, could be by SES, different things, and then do that with them and do some reflection on that. So there's a lot to be done with assessment here that it's going to take some time, but it's very valuable. Now, the question for this week is one that says, you know what didn't happen the way you thought it would? What modifications did you make that were different than what you planned, or would you make the next time? So you're wrapping everything up with the unit with some reflection based on data and your own experience. I look forward to seeing what you come up with this week on this.